And then that stop sign goes right down here.
Stop sign?
No, I said I'm.
What stop sign, man?
But if you want to give that to me, I can drive it. Man, will you grab that stop sign?
Huh? You say stop sign?
No.
We gotta carry it down. His stop sign right here. We gotta carry it down there at the end, down to that last cone.
Okay.
Kind of in between those.
In between.
two, yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna be driving that. Get out of the way, Junior!
So we're putting this taper in to veer the traffic over to the left because we're closing down this road right here. They're gonna be working on it over here.
One, two.
I'm giving them a 12-foot lane.
Okay.
I'm sure and then there's gonna be cones running up.
Running. That's what I thought. 'Cause we were gonna block that whole side, right?
Yeah, so there'll be cones running up to this side.
Veer them.
Yeah, I'm gonna flip around and put our reverse curve out.
I ain't gonna lie, I'd rather you. I feel like I'm gonna hit your fingers because I don't got the big target. I'd rather they're not. You're like way better at it than me.
Yeah, if you just watch it, if it starts getting...
It should be good.
Yeah.
We're putting it up now?
Yes, sir.
I got some over here.
What you say?
There's some hardware over here.
Oh, you already got some?
There's two, yeah.
Sweet.
All right.